Happy morning, children. How are you all? Hope you all are safe and fine. I am your English teacher and welcome you all for our English online class. Children, already we finished 6 lessons, 3 prose and 3 poems. Today I am going to revise our first lesson, that is Little Duckling. It is the story of a baby duck. Children, what is the name of the small duck? It is Ducky. Okay, in this story, the baby duck was always sad about his flat feet. At last, she realized that her flat feet also good for swimming. The main characters in this story are Ducky, Sparrow, Rabbit, Hen and Mama Duck. Children, you know what is the moral of this story? The moral of the story is always be happy with what we have. Children, have you all got the book? Okay, then take page number 5. Others, see the given pages and along with the link. Okay, our first lesson, Little Duckling. Then, Ducky was a little duckling. One day, she was going for a swim. On her way, she saw a sparrow. Ducky looked up at the sparrow. I wish I could sit up there. Okay, children. One day, we know Ducky was a little duckling. Okay. When she is going for a swim, she saw a sparrow. Where is the sparrow, children? The sparrow is sitting on a tree. You need strong feet like mine. Do you have strong feet? Ducky looked down at her feet. I cannot sit on a tree. Okay. At that time, the sparrow said, you need strong feet. You have no strong feet. That's why you can't sit on a tree. Ducky walked on. She came to an open field. She saw a rabbit hopping. Hoppity, hop, hop, hop. Okay, so Ducky walked on. At that time, she saw a rabbit. What is the rabbit doing, children? The rabbit was hopping. I wish I could hop like you. You need long feet to hop. Do you have long feet? At that time, the rabbit asked to Ducky, okay, do you have long feet? I have long feet. Do you have long feet? Ducky looked down at her feet. No, my feet are very short. I cannot hop like you. So Ducky was sad. Ducky looked down at her feet. Her feet were very short. Ducky walked on. She reached a farm. She saw a hen scratching the ground for worms. Clack, clack. Okay. Then she walked on. She reached a farm. Then she saw a hen. What was the hen doing, children? The hen was scratching the ground for worms. I wish I could scratch for worms. I use my sharp claws to scratch. Do you have sharp claws? Okay. At that time, the hen said, I have sharp claws. Do you have sharp claws? Ducky looked down at her feet. No, I do not have sharp claws. I cannot scratch for worms. So Ducky looked down at her feet. She has no sharp claws. That's why she can't scratch for worms. Ducky walked on. She saw Mama Duck swimming in the pond. I wish I could swim like you. Quack, quack. Come in and try. Ducky went into the water. She started to swim. Quack, quack. This is fun. My flat feet are so good. Now the ducky was very happy because she can swim. So ducky sings, a sparrow cannot swim, I can. A rabbit cannot swim, I can. A hen cannot swim, I can. I like my feet, quack, quack. Children, always be happy with what we have. Don't compare with others. Children, turn the page. Now we are going to see the book back exercises. First one, who said these words and to whom? Write their names on the blanks. First one, you need strong feet like mine. Children, who said these words? Sparrow. To whom? To ducky. Next one, I wish I could hop like you. Okay, who said these words? Ducky. To whom, children? Rabbit. Third one, do you have sharp claws? Who said these words? Hen. To whom? To ducky. Okay, then next one, find from the lesson and write the opposites of these words. First one, big. Little, already they given. Up, down. Stand, sit. Weak, strong. Short, long. Bad, good. Children, I am repeating once again. Big, little. Up, down. Stand, sit. Weak, strong. Short, long. Bad, good. Children, next one, find the names of 8 animals in the word search. Okay, you want to find out the 8 animals name. Already they gave 2, dolphin and cat. Now we are going to find out the other animals. See here, children, you can see rabbit, rabbit. Okay, next one, crow, crow. Then next, monkey, monkey. Then duck, duck. Down you can see tortoise, tortoise. Here you can see, children, horse, horse. Then next one, fill in the correct letters to complete these words from the lesson. Okay, first one, branch. Okay, then scratch, scratch, scratch. Third one, short, short, short. Then sharp, sharp. Then you can see claws, close, and farm, farm. Children, now we are going to see the grammar fun in this lesson. Okay, in this lesson we are going to learn about sentence. You know what is a sentence? A group of words that makes complete sense is called a sentence. A sentence begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. See here, children, one sentence, ducky looked up at the sparrow. Okay, see here the D start with capital letter. At the end of the sentence we can see one full stop. Okay, then next G, match the words in the 2 columns to make sentence. Okay, then first one, ducky had, already the match, that is flat feet. Then she wanted to hop like a rabbit. Ducky saw a hen at the farm. Mama duck was swimming in the pond. Okay, next one, rearrange the words to make sentences begin with capital letter and end with a full stop. Write them in your notebook. Okay, see here, children. Ducky was going for swim A. How will change and write? See here, ducky, D starts with capital letter. Ducky was going for a swim. Okay. Then second one, saw a sparrow, she. How we will change? She saw a sparrow. Then we have to start with capital letter and end of the sentence we want to put a full stop. Then third one, did not she have feet strong? Okay, she did not have strong feet. She did not have strong feet. Then fourth one, good feet are my so flat. How we will change? My flat feet are so good. Children, now all of you take your classwork note. Take your first page and on the top you want to write prose 1. Then next line you write the heading, that is little duckling. Then leave one line and write new words. Children, what are the new words here? First one, duckling. D-U-C-K-L-I-N-G, duckling. Second one, sparrow. S-P-A-R-R-O-W, sparrow. Third one, rabbit. R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit. Fourth one, hope. H-O-P, hope. Fifth one, scratch. S-C-R-A-T-C-H, scratch. Sixth one, close. C-L-A-W-S, close. Seventh one, worms. W-O-R-M-S, worms. Eighth one, farm. F-A-R-M, farm. Ninth one, ground. G-R-O-U-N-D, ground. Tenth one, feet. F-E-E-T, feet. Children, then leave one line and write synonyms. You know what is synonyms? Synonyms means meanings. First one, duckling. Duckling means baby duck. B-A-B-Y-D-U-C-K. Then second one, hope. H-O-P, hope. What is the meaning, children? J-U-M-P, jump. Third one, close. C-L-A-W-S, close. What is the meaning? Pointed nail. P-O-I-N-T-E-D-N-A-I-L, nail. Then leave one line and write antonyms. Okay. Then first one is big. B-I-G, big. What is the opposite, children? L-I-T-T-L-E, little. Next one, up. U-P, up. What is the opposite, children? D-O-W-A, down. Stand. Sit. Weak. Strong. Short. Long. Bad. Good. Okay. Then U-P, up. D-O-W-A, down. S-T-A-N-D, stand. S-I-T, sit. W-E-A-K, weak. Opposite. S-T-R-O-N-G, strong. S-H-O-R-T, short. Opposite. L-O-N-G, long. B-A-D, bad. Opposite. G-O-O-D, good. Then leave one line and write answer the following. First one, where was Ducky going? Children, where was Ducky going? Ducky was going for a swim. Ducky was going for a swim. Second one, what was the rabbit doing? The rabbit was hopping. Rabbit was hopping. Third one, where was the hen? The hen was in the farm. Fourth one, what was Mama Duck doing? Mama Duck was swimming in the pond. Fifth one, then leave one line, children. Then write fifth one. Name 3 animals Ducky met on the way to the pond. Sparrow, rabbit and hen. Sparrow, rabbit and hen. Children, write your classwork neatly with good and legible handwriting and post in our WhatsApp group. Children, hope you all understood about this lesson. Now I am going to ask some question about this lesson. Children, who said this word to whom? First one, you need strong feet like mine. Who said these words? Yes, Sparrow said these words to whom, children? To Ducky. Okay, who said this word? Sparrow to Ducky. Second one, I wish I could hop like you. Who said these words? Then ducky. Who said this word, children? Ducky to whom? To rabbit. Third one. Do you have sharp claws? Who said these words? Hen. To whom? To ducky. Children, that's all for today's class. We will meet in the next class. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.